What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Uh, Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video for you guys. Um, as many of you know, I sold my old setup on the Chalk 335 XI car, and I did mention that I was going to go with the SpeedTech top mount kit this time. However, I only got the hot side parts for that top mount kit because we're going big turbo, and the 6875, which is the largest precision turbo that SpeedTech offers with that kit, just wasn't gonna cut it for our needs. So we have here today something a little bit bigger than the 6870, and I've got some I got a stock turbo, I got an MMP, and I have a 6266 on the table here so that we can compare them to the massive turbo that we're about to unbox right here. So like I mentioned earlier, the old setup, the built motor and the turbo and the SpeedTech bottom mount kit was sold. So the new setup, I will be having another built motor that I'm going to put together. It's going to be closed deck, high compression, probably 11:1 compression ratio, and ported built head. And now we're gonna have what is this? This is a 76. Here's the info. 7685 Gen 2 precision turbo, ball bearing turbo with a 1.12 housing, as you can see right there. So obviously this is much larger than the 67 that we were running on the bottom mount kit. Thus why we're going to be going higher compression to help spool this much larger turbo that we have gotten here. So I've got the measurement here, so we can take some measurements of like the 6266 versus this 76 millimeter that we have here. So I'll set up camera. Obviously, you know, it's already been unboxed, but I'm doing this for you guys so you can see. And I'm sure this video is not going to do it justice. Pictures that I put out there don't do it justice. This turbo it's just gigantic. Like in person, this is something that's just mind-blowing to even think about putting it. Not sure if it's going to fit on the SpeedTech kit, but we're going to make it fit. So if we got to do some custom fabbing, we'll do it. If we got to cut the hood up, we're going to cut the hood up, but we're going big boy power this time around. I was able to manage getting tickets for Impact, so that's out of the way, considering that time frame only lasted what, like 30-40 minutes before it was sold out. So we're all good for that. Now I just got to get the car together. But anyways, I'll stop boring you with the talk and we'll go ahead and unbox this now. All right. Let's take a look at this thing here. This thing is massive. So obviously quite a bit heavier than my 67 mil. So yeah, we're adding more weight to the car, but at the same time, we're top mount now. So that means no need for an exhaust, because when you have a turbo this big, you can just do a hood exit. So we're gonna save some weight there by removing our exhaust system out the back and having everything come out of the hood. So like I mentioned earlier, 7685, 76 wheel on the inducer, and 85 mil on the exhaust housing here, or on the exhaust wheel. And we have a 1.12 AR on this exhaust housing. So some comparisons. Obviously right here we have your generic, this is going to be your stock turbo that you find on every N54. Obviously this can get swallowed and fit right in there, so there's that. And then right here we have MMP 1K. You guys already know the dimensions on this, 2-inch inlet, you know, yada yada yada. Obviously tiny compared to this thing. By the way, if anybody wants these MMP 1Ks, I have a set for sale. I don't know, $400 or $500. Shoot me an offer. They do need to be rebuilt. I have no use for them. They're literally just sitting around. So if anybody wants this, let me know. And then obviously your typical setup on a single turbo N54 will be a 62. This is a 6266 precision. And we'll take some measurements here. So our intake, 4-inch intake. And 2.5 on the outlet here. And we have a 4-inch V-band for your exhaust housing here. Twin scroll, and I believe, yeah, 6266 with a 1.0 AR exhaust housing. And yeah, so there you have that versus that. We'll do a little top to bottom comparison. Obviously much larger. And let's get some numbers on this 76 millimeter here. So our 5-inch intake, we have a 3-inch, which will end up needing a 4-inch V-band, but 3-inch outlet right there. And for our exhaust, this is going to use a 4.5 V-band for the outlet, which is absolutely massive. Ball bearing turbo. The nice thing about this, yeah, it's kind of big, but we do have a twin scroll setup here, which is going to match up to the Speedtech kit, which is also a twin scroll, made for twin scroll. So that's going to help spool a little bit better than just a regular T4. So there you have it. Miniature little baby turbo. Same thing with this MMP 1K. I mean, it's just crazy how the size difference, even when you compare it to the 6266, which is, I mean, not a crazy big turbo, but you know, it's a single turbo upgrade that, you know, many people do. And right here we have a 76 millimeter. So I'm pretty excited about getting this project going. I should have the Speedtech kit probably in about 4 weeks, is what I was told by Jeff. 3 to 4 weeks time. So obviously when that kit comes in, I'll be doing an unboxing on that so we could check out the quality on that thing. And like I said, I'm not sure if this will be fitting or what clearances will be like with the top mount kit, or how close it's going to come to the valve cover But if there's any modifications that we need to do, obviously we'll do them. We may need to run a spacer, lift the turbo up higher. I don't mind cutting up the hood. Obviously we have a race car now, so we have to make adjustments to suit our needs. So yeah, hope you guys are excited about this build as much as I am. If you guys aren't already subscribed, it would mean a lot if you guys can, subscribe, like, share. Obviously the channel is growing as we're doing more content, and we're pushing the boundaries of this N54 platform. You guys are always welcome to hit me up for any questions that you have. For the most part, I do get a lot of questions from you guys. You guys hit up my inbox or my messenger, and I'm pretty good at responding to you guys. So I have no problem helping anybody out that needs any help. That's what I'm here for. That's why we have the shop, and that's why I'm constantly uploading these videos for you guys to learn, like we are here at the shop. I'm not a complete expert on this. I can say that I do know my way around N54 platform, and I'm always learning as we go along. So I'm willing to help and share with the community to help grow this, and hope you guys are appreciative of that. So with that said, I will we'll leave off the video here. The car is on its way to the body shop to get the work done needed to repair from the incident that we had, and I believe next week we will get rolling on this 335 IS series that we have. Let me know down below in the comments. I may start that series off by doing a full, we're gonna just fill up this room and this entire floor with all the parts that are gonna be getting upgraded on that build, and then we'll jump right into actually tearing the motor down and starting off with what we're going to do first, which may be interior or suspension or brake work. I'm not sure yet in what order you're going to see it, but that's what's going to be next on this video series. So you guys have a good night, enjoy, and don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.